extension of the essence of the Gita. If you take it literally, it will cause confusion. It says, Sarva dharman parityajya. The literal meaning, give up all your dharma. All the time we have been told, practice dharma, practice dharma. But now give up all your dharma. Just surrender to me. You will be led to the highest attainment. Ma shucha. Don't grieve. The whole Gita started. You are grieving, not worth grieving for. And now here it ends, don't grieve. But in order to do that, give up all your dharmas. But dharma in this context relates to characteristic. The air's dharma is to blow and to enable the sound to operate. All the elements have their dharma. It is sound's operation is actually dharma of akasha, space. Dharma of air is touch. Dharma of fire is sight. Dharma of water is taste. Dharma of earth's element is a smell. And similarly, all things of this world have their dharmas. For practice of swadhyaya, this extended study of dharma is important. But when you have come to the end, climax, no dharmas, all characteristics, there is only one. It is Brahman that is expressing through earth element, through fire element, through air. Brahman is all this. So how do you get it? By renouncing all these dharmas. Sarva dharman parityajya mam ekam sharanam braja. When all dharmas are renounced, then there is a revelation, aham brahmasmi, in full measure. Otherwise they will go on with big confusion.